Understanding, lured into a trap, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase, lured into a trap. This expression is not only vivid but also quite useful in various contexts. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it effectively in your conversations. Lured into a trap is a phrase that combines two words, lured and trap. To be lured means to be attractively drawn or tempted to do something, often by a reward or bait. A trap, on the other hand, is a situation designed to catch someone in a harmful or undesirable way. So, when someone is lured into a trap, it means they are enticed or tricked into a situation that is deceptive or harmful. This phrase can be used both literally, like in a hunting scenario, and metaphorically in various life situations. 1. In literature or movies. Here, lured into a trap often involves a character being tricked by another for some nefarious purpose. For example, a villain might lure the hero into a trap by kidnapping a loved one. 2. In everyday conversations. We use this phrase to describe situations where someone is tricked into a disadvantageous situation. For instance, if a friend signs up for what they thought was a free trial and ends up paying money, they were lured into a trap. 3. In business and marketing, companies sometimes use attractive offers to lure customers into deals that are not beneficial in the long run. This is a classic case of being lured into a trap in the business world. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms and related phrases. Entrapped, baited, deceived, duped. These words and phrases convey a similar idea of being tricked or misled into a harmful situation. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, lured into a trap, and how to use it in various contexts. Remember, English is full of vivid expressions like this, and learning them will not only enhance your vocabulary but also your understanding of the language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.